Hello guys, let us start with mock test for the 2nd April. Which company has entered into a pact with SL Infra Projects to acquire Warora Kurnool Transmission Limited for an enterprise value of 3370 crore? The correct answer for the same is Adani Transmission. So Adani Transmission are going to acquire Warora Kurnool Transmission for over rupees 3,300 crore. Adani Transmission on Saturday has said that it has entered an pact with SL Infra Projects to acquire the transmission limited for an enterprise value of 3370 crore to be express. This acquisition is in sync with Adani's transition strategy for enhancing the value for its stakeholders through organic as well as inorganic opportunities. According to FICCI Ernest Young report, Indian media and entertainment sector is expected to grow by what percentage in 2021? The correct answer for the same is 25%. So the Indian media and entertainment sector is expected to grow by 25% in 2021 and is expected to reach 1.73 lakh crore according to FICCI Ernest Young report. Titled Playing by New Rules, the report said that with its current trajectory, M&E media and entertainment sector in India is expected to reach rupees 2.3 lakh crore or $30.6 billion. New building for the Goa bench of Bombay High Court was inaugurated at which place? The correct answer for the same is Parovim. So Chief Justice of India C.S.A. Bobde inaugurated the new building for the Bombay High Court at Goa. This building is located at Parovim on the banks of river Mandovi. It has built over an area of 31,861 square meters and is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities like 7 court halls, video conference facilities, mics, recording facilities, video conference room, solar panels, electricity power stations with solar energy, rainwater harvesting, green roof and lightning protection system. Jal Shakti Minister has approved performance incentive fund for how many states under the JJM? Correct answer is 7. So 7 states have been approved under the performance incentive fund. These states are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh under the Jal Jeevan Mission. Gujarat was among the best performing states in implementing JJM to ensure tap water supply to every household. Who among the following is to donate $1 million Genesis Prize received in Israel? Correct answer is Steven Spielberg. He said that he will donate $1 million prize to 10 non-profits that are working for racial and economic justice. The film director and his wife, actress Kate Capshaw, will match those donations with $1 million of their own. Beverly Cleary passed away recently. He was what? He was an author. So he was an award-winning children's author whose work has been read by young readers for more than 70 years. He died at 104, a publisher HarperCollins said in a statement on Friday. Cleary's book helped generations of kids grapple with challenging issues of childhood. She was inspired to answer the question posed to her by a young boy, where are the book about kids like us? So she wrote children's book because once a boy asked her, where are the books about kids like us? Which countries agreed to withdraw troops from Ethiopia's Tigray region? Country's name is Eritrea. So after months of denial, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed of Ethiopia admitted this week that Eritrean troops had been fighting in Tigray, the war-torn northern Ethiopian region, where the brutal conflict between pro-government and local fighter has become a byword for atrocities against civilians. Which company has sold its entire 61.5% stake in Numaligarh refinery in Assam to Consortium of Oil India Limited and Engineers India and Government of Assam for 9,876 crore? Correct answer for the same is BPCL. So BPCL has offloaded entire 61.5% stake in Numaligarh refinery for 9,870 crore. The privatization bound Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited said that it has sold its entire 61.5% stake to Oil India Limited for rupees 9876 crore. Oil India bought the 54.16% stake to raise its shareholding in the refinery to 80.16%, the company has said in a stock exchange filings. Who among the following was elected as the new chairperson of the Standing Conference of Public Enterprises, SCOPE? The correct answer for the same is SAIL chairperson Soma Mondal. So Soma Mondal, Steel Authority of India Limited on Friday said that its chairman Soma Mondal has been elected as the new chairman of the Standing Conference of Public Enterprises. She has been elected for a term of 2 years with effect from 1st April 2021. This SAIL stated in a statement. which India Force has decided to utilize the services of its retired combine canines as therapy dogs to help in the early recuperation of personnel undergoing medical treatment and also for their specially abled children. The correct answer for the same is ITBP. So ITBP has decided to utilize the services of its retired combat canines as therapy dogs to help in the early recuperation of personnel undergoing medical treatment and also for their specially abled children. The challenges of life after retirement for the aged and out of service four-legged soldiers has been a subject of concern of various CAPFs that deploy about 3,500 dogs for a variety of roles in internal security domain, ranging from detecting hidden explosives to sniffing out terrorists and drugs and assault and guard duties. Public Health Department Maharashtra and National Health Mission Government of India have dedicated their two air-conditioned mobile medical vans to the nation in which district of Maharashtra? Answer is in Jalna district of Maharashtra. The Public Department Maharashtra and National Health Mission Government of India decided to dedicate two air-conditioned mobile medical vans. The program was inaugurated by State Health Minister Rajesh Tope with a green flag. Rupees 20 lakh cost van will be used to provide health facilities and state-of-the-art clinics in remote areas of district. UP CM has inaugurated Shahid Ashfaqullah Zoological Park in which city? Sorry. The correct answer for the same is in Gorakhpur. So he has inaugurated the park in Gorakhpur. This is the first zoo in Purvanchal and third in the state. Which state has paired with the Jharkhand under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat? Correct answer for the same is Goa. So Goa has paired with Jharkhand under the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat thing. During the COVID pandemic period, various education institutions carried out online and offline activities. So Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat campaign has been launched to promote cultural unity among various states of the country. Coastal state Goa has got a rich cultural heritage. Before this pandemic, Goan students had visited Jharkhand for a cultural exchange program. Which company has joined hands with Libs Pharmaceutica to launch generic drugs in Brazil, the world's sixth most populous country? The correct answer for the same is Biocon Limited. So Biocon Limited has partnered with Libs Pharmaceutica to launch generic drugs in Brazil. Biopharma is a unit of the company and has tied up with Brazil-based Libs to introduce genetic formulations in the Latin American country. Who among the following has won International Ranger Award? The correct answer for the same is Mahinder Giri. Mahinder Giri has launched International Ranger Award. Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar has congratulated Mahinder Giri, Range Officer of the Rajaji Tiger Reserve, India, for being the only ranger from Asia to win the prestigious International Ranger Award for his contribution towards conservation. Who among the following has won Rathbones Folio Prize 2021? Correct answer for the same is Carmen Mario Machado. In The Dream House, a memoir by Carmen Maria Machado won the Rathbones Prize. The prize is open to all genres, fiction, non-fiction, poetry, for writers from around the world. It brings the most outstanding works of English language literature to public attention through the awarding of the prize. It is the only prize in India in which all the books considered for the prize are selected and judged by the Academy of Peers. There are three main judges. This year the judges are Roger Robinson, Sinead Gleason and John McGregor. Which of the following states has celebrated 100th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi's visit to Cuttack? The correct answer for the same is none of these, as Odisha has celebrated it, the first ever visit to the state. Who among the following has recently won National Book Critics Circle Prize for Fiction? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer is Maggie O'Farrell's Hamlet. So Maggie O'Farrell's Hamlet, an imagined take on the death of Shakespeare's son from bubonic plague, has won the National Book Critics Circle Prize for Fiction. Hamlet is an unfortunately well-timed story for the current pandemic, explores the impact of Boy's illness and the death on his family. He was Shakespeare's only son, and scholars have long speculated about his influence, if any, on Hamlet, which Shakespeare worked on in the years following Hamlet's death. Who among the following is the author of the book Wild and Willful, Tale of 15 Iconic Indian Species? Correct answer for the same is Neha Sinha. So Willful, Wild and Willful is a tale of 15 iconic Indian species. The new book is authored by wildlife conservationist Neha Sinha. It's an evocative collection of insights from various disciplines that describes animal and human coexistence. The book is published by HarperCollins. The book is a collection of 15 essays, each focused on Indian species. Dhanalakshmi dethroned Dutti Chand to win 100-meter title at Fed Cup. She's from which of the following states? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. So, from S. Dhanalakshmi from Trichy has won it. She snapped Dutti's winning string, extending back to 2015 with a scorching 11.39 second run to win the title. Thank you for watching. I shall be coming back with March Mock Drill 1 and March Mock Drill 2 in the night.